The first thing you want to think about is, who is my favorite client? You've all got that person where you just love to work with them. Think about who they are. Think about, what is their age? What is their gender? What is the things that they like and love to do? All of those pieces really tie into how you find your ideal audience. And then how do you attract that audience to your business and your brand? So when you think about doing your content, your imagery, your website, your logo, every single piece that you create for your business needs to reflect that ideal client. So even though maybe your favorite color is purple or green, if that color or that image doesn't resonate with your target audience, it's not going to be a good fit. So really start to hone in and craft who that ideal audience is.